In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple events at once on Google Calendar. If your schedule is cluttered with repeating meetings or one-off entries you no longer need, this walkthrough will show you practical ways to clean things up quickly and confidently. We'll start with recurring events because those can be removed in bulk with just a couple of clicks. Open Google Calendar on your computer, find the recurring series you want to remove, and click any single occurrence to open its details. Look for the trash can icon and click it to begin deleting. You'll see a prompt with clear choices: delete only this event, delete this and all future events in the series, or delete all events in the series. For a complete cleanup, choose the option to remove all events. That instantly clears the entire series from your calendar, so you don't have to hunt down each repeated entry one by one. Now, for multiple non-recurring events, Google Calendar doesn't offer a native multi-select delete. The most efficient built-in approach is to use the search bar. Enter keywords, dates, or other filters that narrow the results to the events you want gone. Once you have that filtered view, open each event and delete it. It's a bit more manual, but the search results help you work methodically, so nothing important is removed by mistake. If you're comfortable using additional resources, third-party tools can help with bulk management. There are scripts and services that connect to your Google Calendar, let you choose a date range or filters, and then delete many events in a single action. A common approach uses a Google Sheets template where you provide your calendar's identifier and the date window for deletion. Always review what will be removed before you run any bulk tool so you're confident in the outcome. Here's a helpful safety net. When you delete events, they move to your Google Calendar trash. Items stay there for up to 30 days, giving you time to restore anything you didn't mean to delete. After that window, they're permanently removed. With these options, you can quickly declutter a busy calendar, whether you're tackling long-running series or batches of unrelated entries. Use Google's built-in tools when you can, and consider reputable third-party options when you need more powerful bulk control. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.